In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Circle.so account step by step. Whether you're setting up a new community or simply exploring the platform, this guide will take you through the essential process, ensuring you have a seamless start. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's dive in. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Circle.so website. You can find this easily by typing in the URL or simply doing a quick search for Circle.so in your search engine. Once you're there, you'll see a neat and inviting homepage with all the information you need about the platform. Next, direct your attention to the option that says Start 14-day free trial. It's right there on the homepage, beckoning you to click. By starting the free trial, you get full access to the platform without any upfront cost, giving you a fantastic opportunity to explore all its features. To proceed, you'll be prompted to enter your email and set a secure password. Remember, your email should be active as you'll need it for verification, and your password should be strong enough to protect your account. Think of a password that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Now, it's time for email verification. After entering your details, you'll receive an email from Circle.so. This is their way of ensuring that you're a real person with a legitimate email address. Once you get it, just follow the link in the email to verify your account. It's usually straightforward and only takes a moment. After verification, you're ready to create your community. You'll see an option to do so right within the platform. This is your blank canvas, an opportunity to build a space tailored to your needs. Give your community a name that reflects its purpose or vibe, something clear and inviting for your future members. Before moving on, you'll encounter a quick security step, verifying you're human. This usually involves a simple click or a CAPTCHA to make sure you're not a bot. Once verified, click Next, and Circle.so will guide you through some personalization details. Among these, you'll be asked to select your salary range, which helps tailor experiences and features within the platform. Don't stress too much over this. It's just to personalize your account more. You'll then be prompted to think about what you hope to achieve with Circle, whether it's collaborating on projects, networking, or educational purposes. This step helps define your community's direction. Lastly, the platform will inquire about what's essential for your community. Just check the options that resonate with your plans and vision. With all that set, one last click on Next and you're ready to start. Congratulations! You now have a Circle.so account and a budding community space to call your own. Dive into the settings, invite members, and explore all the tools at your disposal. Enjoy building and nurturing your community.